Okay, go ahead.
They all say Urban.
Mm-hmm.
So
Does she need to be quiet, Maya?
No, it's okay. It's okay.
So the Urban Elixir is like a hot oil treatment. It's gonna be a mixture of oils on your scalp and for your hair.
Like get steamed in?
I haven't thought about that yet, but we do need to discuss this. We just came up with names. The Urban Scalp Rub. You know how you can put an aspirin in some shampoo and scrub a person's scalp? Well, you just have to know if they are allergic to aspirin or not. And throw it over one shoulder, Maya. Yeah, but it's just like she's, faking it. Because the end result is to the side, right? Urban Detox, clients that have been wearing their hair natural and they swear it doesn't curl up anymore, that is definitely a steam treatment.